Hi everyone, welcome back to JSS Collections. As I have you all already given you the idea that I am going to do a clearance sale, so I have come up with those clearance sale items. So without much further ado, let's go to the video. So the first item is this. It's a maroon shade. Actually, it is looking like red, but it is a dark maroon shade with the zigzag patterned golden print. It's a straight cut kurti. You can have a look. It's a straight cut kurti and it has a border. See? Okay. And the sleeves are 3 by 4th. And you can use this while going to offices and all. You can use this like a daily wear kurtis. It is very much helpful for those like a daily wear. Okay. And really the shade is, it is not the shade which you are seeing in the video. The correct shade is the maroon one. Actually, it is looking like red, but it's a dark maroon shade. Okay. So, I will be showing the items. So, you can choose any three for 999. Okay. So, let's go to the second one. The second one is this beautiful navy blue straight cut kurti. See, have a look. Such a beautiful one it is. See, you can have a close look at the print. See, the print is like this. Okay. And the sleeves are again 3 by 4th. And it's a straight cut kurti. And it comes with 2 buttons. They are not openable. It's just for show. That's it. So this is the second one. And this third one is this black one. See, have a look. It's not the very dark black. It's a little bit of dark grayish shade it is. Okay, and it has all over this circular kalankari type print. Okay, have a look. It's really beautiful. These are all simple kurtis. And again the hand sleeves are, see, 3 by 4th. You can happily use as daily wear. Really, it's nice. And the size is double XL. Sorry, I forgot to mention those two size. 1 minute. This blue one is XL. And this maroon is double XL. I will be giving you the idea of the correct bust size. Okay. And the first maroon's bust size goes up to 42. Okay. And this navy blue is, let me check. It is 38. And this black one is size double XL. And the bust size goes up to 44. Black is 44. Okay. So the next one is this light green. It's and the dark mehendi green print in this. Have a close look. Okay. See. Such a beautiful one. It is all floral print. And these are all cotton ones and rayon ones. This is the pure cotton it is. See, you can feel. It's a pure cotton. And the size is double XL. And the neck is round and it has 3 buttons. But they are not openable. Okay. And the sleeves are 3/4. And the bust size goes up to 42. Okay. So these all comes under 3/999. And the next is this dark green. It's a bottle green color top. And the print is, it has red rose flowers and also the golden color rose flower print and light green checks all over. Okay. It's a simple kurti. You can see. See, have a look. It's really nice. And the sleeves are again 3/4. Okay. And the size is double XL. And the bust size goes up to 44. And the next is, look at this beautiful royal blue kurti. See, such a beautiful color and the combination is beautiful really. The combination is royal blue and red. See, it has a thin border around the neck, the red border, and it has an embroidery. You can have a close look. See, it has an embroidery at the yoke part. Okay, only the embroidery is up to this much, only the yoke part. Okay, and it is also a straight cut kurti, and the sleeves are 3/4. And the size is the bust size goes up to 40. The size is L40. Okay, so have a look. Really happily you can use it while going for offices and all. Really, it's an office use. Really, it's a beautiful one. And the next is this all-time favorite Lucknowi top. Okay, it's really, the color is really beautiful. It's a surf blue in shade. Okay, this is the real color. You can see. Okay, in video also it is shown the same color, but some colors it will be due to camera and all, the color will be different. But this is the proper shade. Okay, it's a surf blue shade, and it has all over Lucknowi work. See, have a look. See, okay, the whole dress, it has the total embroidery work, Lucknowi work. And for the sleeves also it has a border. Okay, Lucknowi border. And it is also a straight cut kurti. Okay, and the size is XL. I will, and the sleeves are, 1 minute. Yeah, the sleeves are 3/4, a little bit more than 3/4 it is. And the bust size goes up to 42. Okay, size XL, bust size 42. And the next one is this elegant daily wear kurti. Okay, and with all of the, it has lines, and the sleeves are full sleeves, and it has a little bit bell sleeve. Okay, not the very flary one, light bell sleeve it has. Okay, and it comes with two buttons which are not openable. Okay, and it is also a straight cut kurti, and the it comes with the round neck. Most of the tops are with the the size is 40. The size is L 40. And the next is this beautiful. It's really very nice, guys. Wow. It's a navy blue and coral shade. Okay, it's a combination of coral and navy blue, and the all over it has golden print also. It's really wonderful. You can use it for small birthday parties like that. Really, it's really pretty. Okay, and the sleeves are 3 by 4, and for the sleeves also it has print, golden print. And one more suggestion, friends, please don't use brush for this type of prints. You have to go for only shampoo wash. Okay, don't wash vigorously because it's a golden print. So better you take care while washing. And the size is double XL. And the bust size goes up to 44. The size is double XL, 44. Okay, and it has a round neck with the same color piping here, with that broad piping it has. Okay, really I liked it very much. The shade and everything is really beautiful. And at the bottom also it has, see, broad border like print. Okay, really guys, it's really nice. You can use it for small parties also. And it has a shine also a little bit. See, it is like a double shaded one. It's really nice. Okay, it also comes under 3 for 999. And the next is the same as I have shown you in the brick color shade. Okay, it is in cyan blue. Okay, cyan blue color, again with the stripes. Okay, and the sleeves are same like the brick color top. Okay, with a little bit bell type sleeve. Okay, and it also comes with two buttons. Okay, and it is also a straight cut kurti, you can see. And the size is, let me check, the size is L40. Okay, and the next one is this beautiful mehendi green kurti with white print. Okay, have a close look. The print is like this. Okay, and mango motifs border. See, such a beautiful print it is. Okay, really it's nice. And the sleeves are 3 by 4, and the neck is round. Okay, and these are not buttons, friends. These are all just print, it is dots. Okay, but it looks like there are buttons from top to bottom, but these are not buttons, this is print. Okay, see, the print is really nice. Liked it. Okay, and the size is XL. The bust size goes up to 40. Okay, it is written as XL, but the size is L40. The bust size goes up to only 40. Okay, pure white top, and it has all over embroidery. Okay, you can have a look. It has this lines embroidery. Okay, all over it has, from top to bottom it has the same one. See, and at the bottom it has crochet type work. Okay, see, such a beautiful border it is, and you can pair it up with all colors. You can pair it up with blue, black, whatever color. You can happily wear the same color bottom and chunni. You will have a new dress. Such a beautiful top it is. Okay, really I liked it. Really I like this pattern, guys. You see, such a beautiful one. Whatever bottom you wear, it will be seen outside. Okay, such a beautiful one it is. See, and the sleeves are 3 by 4th, and the size is mentioned double XL here, but let me give you the proper measurement. And this is also a straight cut kurti, friends. And the bust size goes up to, it is going up to 40. Yeah, it goes up to 42. Okay, the size is double XL, bust size 42. This is beautiful. Wow, peach color straight cut kurti. Really, the print is really, it's very nice, friends. See, it has this peacock blue flowers in the middle. It has, see, yellow patch, not patch, it's a yellow print. I think it's yeah, it's a print. Okay, it's really beautiful, and it has a simple accessory here. Okay, and the neck is round. The print is really beautiful. It is floral one, and the sleeves are 3 by 4th with bell. Okay, the sleeves will be like this, and it's a straight cut kurti, friends. See, it's a straight cut. Okay, and the size is mentioned double XL, but let me measure. The bust size goes up to 42, double XL 42. And the next is this beautiful turquoise blue color top. It's really beautiful it is. And the specialty of this top is it has bead work. These are all beads, half cut beads, golden color half cut beads. It has a black print on that. It has a half bead work all over. It has, you can use it for small parties, birthday parties, like that. And it has detailing and the neck also. See, have a look, it's really beautiful. It has this triangular shape, samosa lace, it is called samosa lace work. Okay, and the sleeves are bell sleeves. It's such a beautiful it is. Or the sleeves also, it has the same samosa lace with black detailing and beads also, bead work. Okay, you can use it for small parties also. It's really nice. Especially the shade turquoise blue, it's really beautiful. Okay, and the size is XL. I think it is a bigger size. Let me check. Yeah, it is mentioned XL, but the bust size goes up to 44. Actually, it is double XL. The bust size is 44. It's really nice, guys. Beautiful print and beadwork with the bell sleeves and straight cut kurti. It's really beautiful. So these are all the items for today, guys. Hope you all liked my items. And as it is a sale, you can choose any three for 999. Okay. So hurry up. I will be giving this offer till the stock get till the stock is available. Actually, for New Year, I am planning to bring new stock, so I want to clear the old ones. Actually, for the past 2 months, I am planning to